Hello, my dear viewers. Welcome back to my channel. And those who are watching my video for the first time, do not forget to see my previous videos in which I have explained all the chapters and poems of class 10th. You will get the link in the description box. Today, I have come with a new poem of class 10th, Sur Sham, written by poet Surdas. प्रस्तुत पद में कवि सूरदास ने कृष्ण की बाल लीला का वर्णन करते हुए उसके स्वभाव, भोलेपन एवं माता यशोदा के वात्सल्य का सुंदर चित्रण किया है। बच्चे स्वभाव से भोले होते हैं। वे हमेशा अपने माता पिता से अपने भाई बहन और मित्रों की कुछ न कुछ शिकायत करते रहते हैं। उनका बाल सहज स्वभाव देखकर बड़ों को हंसी आती है और उन्हें पुचकार कर सांत्वना देते हैं। माँ और बेटे के ऐसे सहज संबंध की कल्पना कर सूरदास जी ने अपने इस पद में उसका मार्मिक चित्रण किया है। So here Bal Leela. Bal Leela means childhood, about the childhood of Lord Krishna. Swabhav means nature. Bholepan means innocence. Vatsalya means kindness. Then Shikayat means complain. Then Puchkarkar Santwana means to pamper a child and to make him feel secure and safe. Sahaj Sambandh means good relationship, easy relationship. Kalpana, imagination. Marmik means very touching, very touching message. Okay, so see, we all love children because of their innocence, right? Why they are so innocent? Why they are so innocent? Because they always speak the truth. They don't know what is the meaning of lie. Whatever they feel, they just say it to their parents. They don't keep anything in their heart. So they are very pure and very clean. They always keep complaining to their parents about their brothers, sisters, and friends. Yes. So here also in this poem, Surdas has given a touching message of Lord Krishna. He is complaining about his brother Balram to his mother. Now let us see what he is complaining. But before that, we will see the Kavi Parichay about the poet Surdas. भक्त कवि सूरदास हिंदी साहित्य काश के सूर्य माने जाते हैं। इन्हें भक्ति काल की सगुण भक्ति धारा की कृष्ण भक्ति शाखा के प्रवर्तक माना जाता है। इनका जन्म उत्तर प्रदेश के रुनकता गांव में सन 1540 को हुआ था। इनकी प्रमुख रचनाएं हैं सूरसागर, सूरसारावली एवं सत्या लहरी। इनकी मृत्यु सन 1642 को हुई। इनके काव्यों में वात्सल्य, श्रृंगार तथा भक्ति का त्रिवेणी संगम हुआ है। Now here the poet Surdas, he is considered to be the son of Hindi literature. Son of Hindi literature, and he is also considered to be the originator of Krishna Bhakti branch of Sagun Bhakti stream of Bhakti period. Okay, and he was born in Runkata village of UP in 1540, and some of his famous compositions were Sursagar, Sursaravali, and Sahitya Lahari. He died in 1642. In his poetry, there has been kindness, beauty, and devotee. Okay, so this was about Surdas. Now, let us start the poem. मैया मोही दाऊ बहुत खिजायो, मोसो कहत मोल को लीनो, तो ही जसुमती कब जायो, कहा कहो यही रिस्के मारे खेलन हो नहीं जात, पुनी पुनी कहत कौन है माता, को है तुमरो तात, गोरे नंद जसोदा गोरी तुमकत श्याम शरीर. First we will see the hard words because without seeing the hard words we cannot understand the poem. Here Mayo means mother, Mohi means me, Dau elder brother who is Balram, elder brother of Krishna, Balram. Khijayo means teases, Moso to me, Mol price, value. Tohi, to you. Jasumati, Yashoda. Here Jasumati word is used for Yashoda. Jayo means gave birth. Ris, anger. Puni Puni means every time. Tat, father, dad. Gore, white. Nand, Jasoda are the parents of Lord Krishna. Kata, white. Syam, black. Sarir, body. Okay, now here the Lord Krishna, he is complaining to his mother that thou, Balram, always teases me. He says that you are not the real child of Yashoda. He always keep teasing me by saying that you are not the real child of Yashoda. Because of this, I get very angry and I don't go out to play with him. He keep on asking me that who is your real father, who is your real mother, and at what price they have taken you. You are not the real child, they have adopted you. So what is the price? At what price they adopted you? He keep on asking me this question. He keeps on irritating me by asking this question. He says that you and Nand and Jasoda both are so white. They are having fair complexion, and you are so dark. You are so black. You don't match your parents. So you are not the real child of your parents. In the next stanza, चुटकी दे दे हसत ग्वाल सब सीखे देत बलबीर तू मोही को मारन सीखी दाऊही कबूई न खींचे मोहन को मुख रिस समेत लखी जसुमती सुनी सुनी रिजय सुनहु कान्हा बलभद्र चबाई जनमत ही को दूत सूर श्याम मोही गोधन की सौ हव माता तू पूत. Here also first we will see the hard words. Chutki means pinch. When we tease anyone, we pinch them. Okay, we simply pinch them. So that is chutki. Hasat means laugh, laughing. Gwal, friends, colleagues of Krishna and Balram. Sikhe means teachers. Maran, to beat. Kabahu, never. Khije, scold. Lakhi, seeing. Rije, fascinated, interested. Sunahu, listen. Balbhadra, again referred to Balram. Chabai, backbiter, the one who says bad about a person in his absence. Janmat, by birth. Dhoot, bad. Sav, swear. How, I. Me. Here Yashoda is saying me, I. Mata, mother. Put, son. So here this Krishna, he is saying that चुटकी दे दे हसत ग्वाल सब सिखे देत बलबीर means his friends and colleagues, everyone laughs at me. Who is saying this? Krishna is saying that everyone laughs at me, and all this is because of Balbir. All this is because of Balram. He is only teaching everyone to tease me. तू मोही को मारन सीखे दाऊ ही कबूई न खींचो. Now he is saying that, oh, you know only to beat me. You only beat me and you never scold Balram. Means you are doing partiality with me. He is complaining this to Yashoda that you always beat me, but you never scold Balram. Mohan ko mukh ris samet lakhi jasumati suni suni rijoy. When this Krishna, he was complaining out of anger, Yashoda was just observing the face. Yashoda was just noticing that how this Krishna is complaining. She felt very happy because of the cute angerness, because of the cute response he was giving. He was complaining about Balram in a so innocent way. He was angry, but also very innocent he was. So Yashoda was fascinated by him, and she told that Sunahu Kanha Balbhadra Chabai Janmat hi ko doot. It means that here she is saying, listen Kanha, listen Krishna, Balbhadra, Balram Chabai means Balram is a backbiter. He is very bad. By birth only, he is very bad. He always keep doing bad things. You don't pay attention to his words. I swear you that I am your real mother and you are my real child. she is telling to Krishna that you don't pay attention to Balram's words. His habit is just to irritate everyone. He is just irritating you. You don't concentrate on him. I swear that you are my real child and I am your real mother. Okay. Now let us see the Bhavarth. प्रस्तुत पंक्तियों में भाई बलराम के प्रति कृष्ण की शिकायत का मोहक वर्णन किया गया है। कृष्ण अपनी माँ यशोदा से शिकायत करता है कि भाई मुझे बहुत चिढ़ाता है। वह मुझसे कहता है कि तुम्हें यशोदा माँ ने जन्म नहीं दिया है बल्कि मोल लिया है। मोल लिया है मीन्स शी हैज अडॉप्टेड यू बाय पेइंग अ प्राइस। ओके, इसी गुस्से के कारण उसके साथ मैं खेलने नहीं जाता एंड दिस इज द रीजन व्हाई आई डोंट गो टू प्ले विथ हिम। वह मुझसे बार बार पूछता है कि तुम्हारे माता पिता कौन हैं। वह यह भी कहता है कि नंद और यशोदा तो गोरे हैं, लेकिन तुम्हारा शरीर क्यों काला है। Now, what he asked that you are so black, you are so dark, your complexion doesn't match with Yashoda and Nand, so you are not the real child of Yashoda and Nand. उसकी ऐसी हंसी मजाक सुनकर मेरे सब ग्वाल मित्र चुटकी बजा बजा कर हंसते हैं। उन्हें बलराम ने ही ऐसा करना सिखाया है। Now Krishna is complaining that Balram teases me by saying you're not the real child and all my colleagues and friends they also start teasing me. माँ तुमने केवल मुझे ही मारना सीखा है और भाई पर कभी गुस्सा नहीं करती। अपने भाई के प्रति क्रोधित और सखाओं द्वारा अपमानित कृष्ण के क्रोधयुक्त मुख को देखकर उसकी बातों को सुनकर यशोदा खुश हो जाती है। वह कहती है, हे कृष्ण सुनो, बलराम जन्म से ही चुगलखोर है। मैं गोधन की कसम खाकर कहती हूँ, मैं ही तेरी माता हूँ और तुम मेरे पुत्र हो। Okay, so now Yashoda, she is saying that you leave whatever that Balram is saying. He is bad. He always irritates everyone. He is irritating you. So you don't concentrate on him. I am telling you, I am swearing that I am your real mother and you are my real child. इस पद में सूरदास ने बालकृष्ण के भोलेपन और यशोदा के वात्सल्य का मार्मिक चित्रण किया है। सो इन दिस वे सूरदास हैज डिस्क्राइब्ड अबाउट द कृष्ण एंड यशोदा। सो इफ यू लाइक इट, शेयर, like and subscribe my channel.